the students preparing for mains 2026, whether it is a portion of India and the world or the portion of international relations in your GS paper 2, it is always a challenging task, especially when we see that international events are moving at a very fast pace. So, how should you prepare for the upcoming mains? What are the expected questions or areas? I believe that you combine your TSIR and international relations section of the exam. Now, from where to start? Obviously, the test for any country's foreign policy is its neighborhood. And lot of things are happening in India's neighborhood. So, first of all, you should prepare a generic question on India and neighborhood. In your mind, you prepare a mind map. First of all, what is the importance of neighborhood in any country's foreign policy? Then you should understand the profile of India's neighborhood. So, as far as the neighborhood is concerned, our South Bloc, it mentally classifies into the South Asian neighborhood. We can take the broader angle to include South Asia and Indian Ocean region. Going forward, the extended concept of neighborhood, the look west and look east, though now we talk about act east policy and think west policy. India's strategies, India's doctrines with respect to neighborhood have a historical view and you should have a conceptual clarity. To begin with, we started with Panchsheel. What were the features of Panchsheel? What was the uniqueness? How to describe it? Can we call it India's moral idealism? Then the next doctrine is Indira Rajiv doctrine, which is grounded in the realist posture. Examples like 1971 war, examples like India's intervention through Indian peacekeeping in Sri Lanka. And then comes the Gujral doctrine. Understand how Gujral doctrine is based on Panchsheel. What is the uniqueness? It aims to counter the asymmetry, the big brother syndrome, because it is based on the principle of reciprocity. I will call it a pragmatic approach. But don't forget that Gujral doctrine doesn't apply in case of Pakistan. And then Prime Minister Modi's neighborhood first. Now, neighborhood first doctrine becomes very, very important for this exam. You can expect a question that critically evaluate India's achievements with respect to neighborhood first doctrine. And do you think we need a new template? You should know when neighborhood first was launched, 2014. What are the action points? What was the thematic areas, be it the security or prosperity, people to people exchange, humanitarian disasters? And what was the vision behind Neighborhood First? Does it position India as a net security provider? Or is it India's attempt to counter the rising influence of China? What are the pressure points on India's Neighborhood First policy? How China will react to it? How US will react to it? And then how, when, and where the neighborhood policy was further extended to the doctrine of Sagar, the complementarity between the continental and the maritime dimensions. What were the areas and the pillars? And now, how this Sagar concept has been expanded to Mahasagar. What is the difference? And what is the difference between neighborhood first and Gujral doctrine? Does neighborhood first exclude Pakistan? No. Gujral doctrine? Yes. How Sagar and Mahasagar different? So Sagar is related to Indian Ocean, whereas Mahasagar is about the wider oceans connecting all the oceans. And if Sagar is more a soft power skills, it is more about blue economy and prosperity. Mahasagar is about the security. And now we should see India's neighborhood policy through the geopolitical construct of free and open Indo-Pacific, and where the two components, think West and act East, is together. And finally, if you had been in the South Bloc, what all improvements you could have thought towards India's neighborhood policy? Think about the few steps that should be taken. And of course, the biggest testing grounds for India's neighborhood first policy lies in both East and West. In the West, neighborhood policy has to meet the Pakistan challenge. In the East, it has to meet the China challenge, be it in Bangladesh or Nepal. Pakistan challenge in the maritime sphere too. And therefore, you must be analytically very, very sound to be able to answer these type of questions. So the first question, get confidence over neighborhood first and Mahasagar. Tomorrow, I will discuss further how should you prepare for your India and the world.